Hi everybody, my name is Deanna and I wanted to give you my review on pop-up veneers. As you can see, I have teeth missing, I have a very decayed tooth, and dental work is expensive. So I did my research and I found pop-up veneers. The whole process was very simple. They mail it to your house. You do 3 different molds for 5 minutes each. Very easy. From the time I sent them to the time I got them back, the whole process was about 20 days. And look, they came in this cute little container. And check it out. I lacked confidence. I hated smiling. Not no more. Put them in. And look at that. Confidence restored. Beautiful smile. I get so many compliments. If you're thinking about doing it, don't think no more. Just order them. I love them. My self-esteem is amazing. Thank you.